From the smartphones in our hands to the satellites in space, electronics today are made possible by a tiny component, semiconductors. The foundational industry of all tech-driven transformation, semiconductors form our modern world. It has a 5 to 6 times job multiplier effect on the downstream industry. It is the backbone for digital infrastructure, just like steel is for physical infrastructure. Overcoming past challenges that hindered the development of the semiconductor ecosystem for 60 years, what was once a distant dream has now become a reality under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, with the strong backing of the SEMICON India program.
भविष्य के साथ सेमीकंडक्टर जुड़ा हुआ है। हर उपकरण में मेड इन इंडिया चिप क्यों न हो? क्यों ये सपना मेरे देश का नौजवान देखे? टैलेंट यहाँ है। सेमीकंडक्टर का काम हिंदुस्तान में होगा और हम एंड टू एंड सॉल्यूशन दुनिया को देने की ताकत रखते हैं।
With an outlay of rupees 76,000 crore, the SEMICON India program offers 50% upfront fiscal support for semiconductor fabs, display fabs, and facilities for compound semiconductors, silicon photonics, sensors, discretes, and semiconductor packaging. For workforce development, 200 plus institutes are offering specialized courses in semiconductor technologies. Additionally, Government of India is partnering with global players to develop skilled professionals. Development of a world-class research institution and significant R&D investments from industry players are being done. Under the SEMICON India program, India has already attracted over rupees 152,000 crore or $18 billion in investments. Understanding its role in the global trusted semiconductor value chain, India has been partnering with leading countries, namely US, EU, Japan, Singapore. SEMICON India 2024 will offer comprehensive exhibitions, insightful programs, and unmatched networking opportunities among the semiconductor industry leaders. As we embrace this new dawn, we look forward to a future where India spearheads a global semiconductor supply chain that is unshakable in the face of disruptions.